Now let us go ahead and also talk about integration by U substitution. So how do we use U substitution method to integrate any calculus question? So find the following integral, which is x. So in this case, how do I know that I'm supposed to use integration by U substitution? The issue is very simple. Look at what is outside here. We have x. Again, inside the brackets, again, we have got x. So we need to substitute anything that we are going to choose. Now, this guy is in the brackets, then it has got the power 3. It's the one that you are going to make him. So in short, the one that has got the highest power is the one that you make u. So in this case, we'll say let u be equal to what is inside the brackets only, x squared plus 3. So then what will be du? We are differentiating this. So the derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of 3 is 0, so you do times dx. Make dx as a subject to the formula. You divide both sides by 2x. Therefore, dx is du divided by 2x. Now you can clearly see that the way this question is, x in the brackets, just put u raised to the power, because we have replaced what is inside the brackets with u raised to the power 3. What is dx? Dx is going to be replaced by du divided by 2x. Our goal, that's why we are is a integration by u substitution. So we need to find a way on how we are going to cancel the other x. So this x is going to go. That would mean to say we have now remained with u to the power 3 divided by 2 du. So then this is the same as half, so this can come outside. So I have got u to the power 3 du. What is happening here is that u to the power 3 divided by 2 is the same as 1 over 2 u to the power 3. That's why I have now removed this constant to go outside the integral. Okay, that's the basic idea. So then 1 over 2, the integration goes like this. The power increases by 1. So the power increases by 1 is going to be 4. You divide it by the same thing, then plus c. Okay, so what we have now is half times u over 4. It is 1 over 8. 1 over 8 u to the power 3 plus c, or u to the power 4 plus c. C is a constant. Okay, now what is our u? Remember to replace u. So now the final answer becomes 1 over 8. What is our u? Our u is x squared. You replace back x squared plus 3 raised to the power 4 plus c. So this is the answer for this question. Nothing complicated, everything is direct. Make sure you follow the same steps. I believe you're going to manage to solve the question. So that is it for this question.